Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Back up your important data, then reboot the phone into safe mode to prevent third-party apps from launching. Once done, open Settings and sort apps by install date. Look for anything you did not install or that appeared when ads began. Make sure to note apps with generic names or excessive permissions, because those are likely offenders. Do not uninstall yet if an app is a device admin. You must first revoke admin rights, which the next step shows how to do. Start by revoking device administrator rights for any suspect app. Settings right arrow security, right arrow device admin apps, deselect and confirm. Then uninstall the flagged apps and immediately clear their cache and storage to remove leftover files. Once removed, reboot the phone normally and monitor for ads. If they persist, run a reputable antivirus or ad detector app to find hidden adware components. Make sure to update Google Play and system apps, because outdated system components. If ads continue after uninstall and scan, reset app preferences to restore defaults. This often stops overlays. If that fails, back up and perform a factory reset to eliminate persistent adware. This is the definitive fix. After cleanup, change your account passwords and enable two-factor authentication to prevent reinstallation from compromised accounts. Troubleshoot further by wiping the cache partition from recovery mode before a full reset. If ads still appear, seek professional service, because hardware-level firmware modification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.